Hey everyone, back again with another fan, and this time I have what's called an Evermuster by Codep. This ornate antique brass with stencil blades. I didn't know what this was at first, but I was told that this was something that Codep had or sold by Evermuster. Here's the lights. This is the 5 light kit that it came with. I got this also at the same habitat as my CEC, another hold at Tosa Restore. And as you notice, the lights are flickering because power here is being run on a generator at this time due to a transformer shortage happening. Transformer shorted out at this building, so right now fans aren't affected by this, but lights tend to flicker. So 2.4 amps, 265 watts, power factor of 1. All right. Light off. All right. So I'm going to start with low. Okay. Decent low. Let's see what it's drawing. 0.16 amps. Yeah, I wonder if the slightly lower voltage, from the generator might be affecting the current draw a little bit. But it seems, yeah, seems to be running at a decent speed. So, okay. 18 watts. And a power factor of 1. Okay, let's do medium. Here's medium. This fan's got a little bit of hum to it. 0.24 amps. Okay. 27 watts and a power factor of 1. It's on bypass. Here's high. It's got a fast high. And I'm actually getting a lot of air from this one. This one's kind of a powerful fan. This one really gives off a good amount of air. Okay, let's see what it's drawing. 0.5958. Okay. 64 watts. Power factor of 1. So I'm going to take the camera and do an airflow test. Definitely a high end of residential spinner. As I'm feeling it, it's not quite K55, but it's sort of close to that. Okay, well, time for spin down. And reverse. Okay, it's going to have kind of a long spin down. All right. Here is low reverse. All right, draws the same current. Okay, there's medium. Here's high. Same current draw. All right. Okay. Now it's time to do the decade box in microfarads and see what kind of wall control we can use. Here we go. 1, 2. Oh, it starts on 2. So it's a good fan. Okay, 0.08. 3. 4. 5. Might be able to use a 4-7-11 with this one. Still a decent low on 5. 6. 7. 8. So here's like medium low. 9. 10. 11. So you could use a 4-7-11 on this fan with the current draw we're getting. Here's 12. 13. So either 5-8-13 or 4-7-11 I would use. Here's 13. This is like your high medium. 14 for 6-8-14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. Okay, so you're still under at 20 microfarads, so any wall control is safe. Let's go up to 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 29, 30. Okay, at 30, I just start to creep over. All right, but no resonant frequency with any wall control. That's the important thing. So I'm going to do the solid state variable to see how noisy or how quiet this fan will behave. Find out where it starts. Okay. All right. It's a little bit hummy, but I don't know if I'd quite call it living room quiet, but it's towards that. Yeah. I wouldn't put this fan on a solid state anyways. All right. Bring it to high. Okay, so a little bit under factory high. Okay. This is another one. All right, last test is 0 to high. Let's see what we get for an inrush. 0.6. That's a good fan, actually. All right. Well, that's all I have for this Evermuster Codep ornate. So, yeah, I know I got one more to test tonight. So I'll be back with that fan, and stay tuned for more fans as I acquire them, and continue subscribing, and thanks for watching.